What's up guys, I'm Suman from Stein. Now, I hope you remember this video.
I need to get going.
Wow, that's amazing.
So this was a video by Samsung which was showcased in CES 2013. And this represented Samsung's vision for future smartphones. Now with the release of the Galaxy Fold2 right around the corner, will this be the future that Samsung promised us? Let us talk. With the Galaxy Fold2 launching in few days, as always, we have been blessed with some early leaks of the Fold2's images. The device has a completely different look when compared to the Galaxy Fold1, and that's a good thing because it shows that Samsung listens to the people and their critics. So as of making this video, we have no information on what the specs are exactly going to be, but we can assume that this will definitely have the top of the line specs, maybe like a Snapdragon 865 Plus, 8 gigs of RAM or more, and the top of the line cameras. But we are not here to talk about the specs, but it's rather the innovation that Samsung has been trying to do with the Galaxy Fold that we are interested in. So when the video was released in 2013, we would have definitely enjoyed it, but we would have not expected it to come out anytime soon. And it turns out Samsung wasn't joking about changing the way we use our smartphones, because they came out with the Galaxy Fold in 2019. Yes, it did have its own flaws, and Samsung even had to revise and re-engineer the device again and re-release it few months later. But it definitely showed that Samsung was determined to make this happen because they didn't give up on the original Fold. Now we can see the same determination in the leaked images of the Galaxy Fold 2. In fact, I feel their determination and urge to make their vision a reality has increased a lot. So for example, take a look at the leaked images and you would see a lot of changes there. It's miles better than the original Galaxy Fold. It's not like they shrunk the big side notch a bit and gave us a new Fold. But Samsung went ahead and redesigned the entire inner and outer display, which turns out to be more or less like the device featured in the 2013 video. I'm pretty sure they would have even redesigned and re-engineered the entire structure of the new Fold, thereby increasing its durability. And I'm actually pretty excited to see what Samsung has in stock for us. Now on the subject of pricing, this device is definitely going to be costly. But remember, this is a device which requires a lot of work by people from many streams like design, engineering and more. And we should not forget the fact that this here is a second generation product, so it will definitely take few years for the prices to reduce. Now, I can't afford to buy this device, but I have one thing to say. So when the Galaxy Fold 2 launches, there will definitely be some people who compare this with any traditional smartphone and say this is not a good value and this is bad. And sometimes that definitely gets on my nerve because those people are comparing two different segments of smartphones. And this is an evolving market, and when the demand grows for foldables, the prices would eventually drop. So if you remember, like 4-5 years back, we had to pay 30,000 and more to get a smartphone that performs really well. But fast forward 4 years later, now in 2020, you can buy a 10,000 rupee smartphone and that will perform really well. So that's how technology improves and that's how demand grows. So when the demand grows, the prices will definitely drop. And we also have to trust new ideas like this, because this will definitely go a long way. Now the upcoming Galaxy Fold 2 may not be a perfect device, it may have its own flaws, but I'm sure Samsung will refine the foldable lineups up to the point that it becomes a tremendous success. I'm really looking forward to that day. And finally, smartphone launches these days haven't excited me a lot, to be honest. But there are two smartphones which have actually caught my attention, and one of them being the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 and the second device is the upcoming 5.4-inch iPhone 12. Yes, it's been a very long time since we've seen really good small smartphones. Actually 5.4-inch is not a small size, but when compared to the rest 6.5, 6.7-inch devices out there, this is definitely small and I might also end up buying that. So make sure you subscribe to see that. Anyways, Samsung, when are we going to see this? So anyways, thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.